Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So you probably already know what this video is based on the title, but I am going to be changing my backyard into Hawaii. It's so exciting. I can't wait to show you guys. So basically I got this video idea because yesterday I was watching Sierra Furtado, another YouTuber, and she changed her backyard into Miami. And I was like, probably everyone is feeling like this where they need a vacation during this quarantine, but you can't take a vacation. And so I was like, I'm going to turn my backyard into Hawaii because it's one of our favorite places ever. So give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned to see how our backyard turns out. Okay, so I made it downstairs. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we bought yesterday. The crazy thing is we went to like 4 different Targets, 2 different Walmarts, went to Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and everywhere was sold out of a lot of the things we needed, which was really frustrating. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. So the first store that we went to was Target, and we found the cutest cup. And so anytime I think of Hawaii, I think of like pineapples and flamingos. So this is Gustav's and this one's mine. I still have to rinse them, but aren't these the cutest thing? Like when you're in Hawaii, don't you just want to drink from cups like this? So I gotta rinse these. And then we also got this really cute lamp, and it lights up like this. So we're gonna put this somewhere. And we got some outdoor lights. I don't know if these are for outdoors. Yeah, indoor, outdoor. And this is gonna be really cute on our patio. And then we also got these really cool pink flamingo cup holders. The only thing is that we were looking for a small pool. So we put our feet in and everything, and everywhere was sold out. So that's frustrating. So I don't know where we're gonna put these. I guess just on the table. And then we got these candles, which are pretty cool. And then we got these things. So you just like put them on the ground, and it's kind of like a lantern, because in Hawaii they have like the brown ones, but they actually were like fire, and a lot of them were broke. So I was like, let's just go with these metal ones. And then we bought these candles. Hopefully they fit in here, and we're gonna light them up outside when it's like the sun is setting. Okay, so that's all we got from Target. And that's that we went through like 4 different Targets to get these small items. The next store that we went to was Hobby Lobby, and we got some leis just to like add to the Hawaiian theme. And then we got this really cute blow up that says Aloha. I'm excited about this. And then we got this 6-foot palm tree that we're gonna put up. And I'm not sure why we got this, but we got a grass skirt for around the table because we're gonna put a table outside even though it's only for 2 people. And then next thing that we got was from Walmart, and we got 2 chairs and a big blow up flamingo. We got 2 chairs, so one is pink and one is blue, and that, and then we got to get the flamingo out of the closet. Oh, and we had this that I found, so I might just put it down outside because that's like flowers, kind of goes with our theme, but we'll see if it matches. Okay, so we're outside and my patio. I'm going to show you a little bit of like where we're going to put things. Sorry, the lighting's like weird. So we have right here, I was thinking of putting the table here and then like the decorations, hanging them over here. And then we have our grill, which we're probably going to use, and we have all the space over here. So hopefully we can utilize the space and it'll look really cool. So our flamingo died because it won't blow up. We've tried so many things. I think there's a hole in it. So we're going to have to do without this, which is so sad. Okay, so we have our grass skirt already out on the table. It looks so good. Now we gotta figure out where to put these. I'm thinking right here with candles, but let's see. Okay, so we got this palm tree, but we thought it came like an actual stand, like the picture, but it turns out you hang it, so we don't know where to hang it.
We can hang it on there. I just need to know. Probably reaching. Right there. Like this.
But what would we hang it with?
Like the little curve.
Okay. Okay, these balloons are a lot bigger than what I thought, but they gave us this little straw to blow them up. And guys, I painted my nails and they actually look pretty, why isn't it focusing? They actually look pretty good. So Gustavo's actually gonna blow these up. Here. Okay, we finished blowing up all of these and this was so much harder than it looks. Like, these are huge balloons. Mine actually look better than Gustavo's, but don't tell him that. His are like not even really blown up. Okay, now we gotta put them outside. Okay, so this is what we have so far. We have these 2 chairs and our ice chest, our lamp, and then these lights look like Christmas lights, but it was kind of hard to hang them, so I kind of just improvised and taped it over here. So that's what we have. And now I honestly thought we had way more decorations than what we have right now, but I'm thinking of putting like some snacks out on the table just for us to sit out here because we haven't ate breakfast or lunch. So let's go do that and make some lunch. Next, we're gonna make some pizza and put it in the oven. Pizza is going in the oven. Okay guys, so our pizza is done. We have our drinks and we're letting the pizza cool off, but I'm actually gonna go change into like a more Hawaiian outfit, and then we'll and then we'll reveal to you guys on how it looks outside. Our palm tree fell. Okay, I have to go fix that first. Okay, here's our outfits. So Gustavo's wearing his shirt that he got in Hawaii, and this is actually Gustavo's shirt that he never wore in Hawaii, but it's really cool. It's actually oversized. I'm wearing shorts under. And now we're gonna reveal to you guys the outside. Okay, ready for the big reveal? This is how it turns out. We're in Hawaii. So over here we have our 2 chairs so we can lounge while looking at the beach. And then right here we have our floating drinks, which we gotta put them in there. And we have, of course, in Hawaii, they have the grass skirt and pineapple. We have some chips going on, some Lay's, my drink, and then of course, the pizza. It isn't very Hawaiian, but you know. And then we found a place to put this. It has our wrapping paper behind there, so don't judge us. And then of course we hung up Aloha and have the little lights. And it looks so cute. And over here, for at night, we have these little things that we're gonna light up as well. So now we're gonna enjoy it because it looks so cool. And it's a little windy outside, but guys, we're in Hawaii. Guys, it turned out amazing, and I don't know why it's so tight right here. But now we're gonna eat some pizza, and Gustavo will actually put his drink in the ice chest to float. It looks cute. And this is the final thing. We're actually in Hawaii. See, right now we're on the beach. And now we're gonna eat some pizza, actually.
I brought that food.
Okay. Oh, everything turned out so amazing. Okay, we got the Hawaiian music going. It feels like Hawaii now. And here's an update of how it looks. And the funny thing is we called my mom and Gustavo's cousin to tell them we were in Hawaii, and they both believed us. We're actually gonna turn the TV on and see if we can watch our favorite show, which is $1 Million Listing Los Angeles, and hopefully we can watch it from here because there's like a screen door in front of us, so that'll be really cool because we want to catch up on our episodes. But it's actually going really good. The weather is really nice. It's kind of windy right now. Take a drink out of my flamingo. I was really sad because this would not float on our flamingo floaties, but it's still good. So now we're gonna finish relaxing and stay tuned for more. Update, we are still right here.
This was
relaxing.
such a good idea, guys.
This is such a fun idea. Definitely we recommend turn your backyard into a place that you like really want to go, because so much fun. Okay guys, we really hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was so much fun to make, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, and if anything, this video is such a good idea because it made us want to go to Hawaii even more, and it was just so much fun to recreate and like change our whole entire backyard. So we got to do this more often. So we challenge you to change your backyard to a place that you want to travel to as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in my next video. Bye.